Hello, Imbibers. A very good evening to all of you children. Welcome to today's session. And today, what we're going to do, we're going to have a practice session of crop production and management in detail. And today we're going to basically only solve the questions which we have already done, the topics which we have already done. We're going to solve questions from that, and I hope you guys are ready for it. Yes, children, a very warm welcome to all of you. And before we start, let me introduce you to myself once again. I am Anam Maam. I'll be your biology expert, and we're going to discuss all the amazing and interesting topics related to biology, just like we have been discussing. So this is just a practice session. We're going to solve questions. We have 20 to 25 questions, children, to solve, and I hope you guys are ready for it. And let's start our practice session. The very first thing I would like to tell you that this is me. I'm going to basically introduce you to myself. My name is Anam Maam. I have an experience of 7+ years, mentored more than 12,000 students, and the qualification is MSc Plant Sciences. So yes, a quick update about me, which you at least know. So children, I would like to request you that I have already scheduled all your particular lectures on the Embibe app. All the upcoming lectures have been scheduled on the Embibe app. What you have to do, you have to just register. Yes, you have to register for the upcoming sessions, children. Okay, we have to register for the upcoming sessions. Yes, and this is Embibe VLE app, this is Embibe app, Embibe Lens app. These are three particular apps which is basically helping you to enhance your knowledge, helping you to basically explore every particular part of the content. So this is just Embibe what basically offers you. Yes, moving forward, next we have the very first question is that, yes, dash is a kharif crop. Yes, what is a kharif crop? Dash is a kharif crop. What would be the particular answer for this one? Yes, dash is a kharif crop. A, soybean, B, cotton, C, rice, या D, all of these. Yes. What is according to you is a kharif crop? You can just text me on chat box A, B, C, D. Okay. Yes. What is the kharif crop? Kharif crop पढ़ाया है मैंने तुम लोगों को. We have discussed about the cropping season. So I would just like to know what in which among these is a kharif crop. Yes. Okay. It's A, it's B, it's C, it's D. I guess suppose it's D is the correct answer. D is the kharif crop. That's the correct answer. Moving forward to the next question, we have grains are stored in. Yes, what's the next question? The next question is grains are stored in. How do we store grains? Grains जो हम हार्वेस्ट करके लेकर आते हैं, बेसिकली जो भी हमारा क्रॉप्स वगैरह हैं, उनको जब हम स्टोर करते हैं तो हम उन्हें किस तरह से स्टोर करते हैं? Yes, we store it in a jute bag, granaries, Food Corporation of India warehouses, or all of the above. What is the correct answer for this one? Yes. Yes, how do we store grains? I would guess we are basically can store grains in the jute box also. We can store the grains in the granaries also. And we do store the grains in the Food Corporation of India warehouses. That's the correct answer. The answer is D. Next, see what we have in the next question. The crop chickpea is... Yes, what kind of a crop is chickpea? It's a kharif crop, it's a rabi crop, it's a zaid crop, or it's a none of these. What kind of a crop is a chickpea? Yes, is it A, B, C, D? Yes, what kind of a crop is a chickpea? Yes, is it a kharif crop? It's a rabi crop. It's a zaid crop. Well, I guess the chickpea is a rabi crop. What is a rabi crop? When we talk about the rabi crops are those which are being harvested in, they are grown in winter and their harvest season is from November to April. And these are called rabi crops. So rabi crops are basically sown in October, November, from November to April. It is a season of a rabi crop. That's a correct answer. Moving on to the next question we have, what is a rabi crop among them? Yes, it's a paddy, maize, pea, wheat. We have just not discussed about it. You know the answer. Which one is a rabi crop among them? Yes, which one among them is a rabi crop? Yes, what could be the correct answer for this one? Well, I guess we have just now studied about it. The chickpea was, I'm so sorry, it was wheat. Yes, wheat is the correct answer, children. Yes, is the correct. It's a rabi crop. I'm sorry, I just missed us. Next question. Crops which are growing during rainy season. Which are the crops which are basically grown in a rainy season? Yes. Crops which are grown in a rainy season, children. Yes. It's a rabi crop, leguminous crop, cereals. Yes, what is basically grown in a rainy season? जो बारिश के महीने में basically grow किए जाते हैं. What kind of a crops are those? Yes. I guess those are the kharif crops. The kharif crops are basically grown in the rainy season. The crops which are grown in the rainy seasons are kharif crops. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, moving on to the next question we have. Choose the odd one out from each of the following. Which is the odd one out? Rice, wheat, maize, groundnut. Yes. Which one is a odd one out? Yes. Which one among them is an odd one out? You can see the hint. It is also called winter crop. Yes. Which one among them is a odd one out? Yes, wheat is the winter crop. Correct answer would be the wheat. The odd one out among them is a wheat because rest of them are the kharif crops. They're all grown in the rainy season. Moving on to the next question we have. Which is the most appropriate reason for the fact stated below? Different food crops are grown in different parts of the country. What is the reason for that? That हर अलग अलग particular region की अलग अलग speciality है. And why it is that basically? Yes, what could be the correct answer? A, B, C? What's the correct answer? It's A, it's B, it's C. Why is the reason that different parts of our country has a different kind of a crops grown? Well, I guess C should be the correct answer because each particular region of our country has a different climatic condition, has a different kind of a soil. That's the correct answer. Next question. The monsoon season in our country is during the months of, yes. What is the monsoon season month? कहते हैं ना हम लोग monsoon आ गया. Which particular months are being considered as monsoon season? Yes, the correct answer would be June to September. June to September is basically considered as a month of monsoon season. Next question. Which of the following condition is not essential to grow maize? Yes. Which of the following season with the condition is not essential to grow maize? Yes. Which of the following condition is not essential to grow maize? I would say high humidity, high temperature, rainfall, low temperature. I think low temperature is definitely not necessary to grow maize. High temperature, humidity and lots of rainfall is basically needed to grow maize. Next question. Out of which of the following groups, which group is not included in a kharif crops? Yes. Which group is not included in a kharif crop? Yes. Which group is not included in a kharif crop? Yes. इसमें से कौन से खारिफ क्रॉप है? ए कॉम्बिनेशन देख लो, जिसका कॉम्बिनेशन सही बैठे वही सही आंसर होगा. Yes, what is the correct answer? Is it A, is it B, is it C? I guess suppose it should be D. The rice, maize, soya beans are groups which is included in a monsoon season. Next question. The process of plantation of paddy from the nursery in the field is called. What is the process of plantation of a paddy from the nursery to the field? What it is called basically? Yes, it's called tilling, transportation, manuring, sowing. What do we call it? Yes, if we basically move the paddy fields from the nursery to the field, what do we call it? We call it as transplantation. That's the correct answer. We call it as transplantation. Next question. Which of the following crops is grown in from November to April? Yes. Yes. Which of the following crops are grown in November to April? Yes. What would be the correct answer for this one? किस पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप को हम विंटर क्रॉप भी बोलते हैं? इज इट ज्वार, इज इट wheat, is it rice? What is basically called the winter crop? Yes, A, B, C. Quickly answer. Well, I guess it should be wheat. Wheat is basically a winter crop. It's been sown in November. It's been harvested in April, March. Okay, that's the correct answer. Next question. Which of these is a crop grown in winter? Yes. Which of these is a crop grown in winter, which is also called a winter crop? Yes. Rice, wheat, maize, all of these. Which among them is basically called as a winter crop? Quickly. Yes, the correct answer would be, I guess it should be the winter crop is always the wheat. Wheat is the correct answer. Wheat is the winter crop. Wheat is basically sown in November and it is being harvested in March, April. That's the correct answer. Wheat is a winter crop. Next question. Growth of Kharif crop takes place during the month of Kharif. क्रॉप जो ग्रो करते हैं वो मॉनसून सीजन में होते हैं. अब तुम मुझे बताओ कौन से मंथ्स जो होते हैं वो मॉनसून सीजन वाले होते हैं. यस, कौन से मंथ जो है वो मॉनसून सीजन वाले हैं? जनवरी, सितंबर, नवंबर, अप्रैल, जून, अक्टूबर, दिसंबर, जून. Which one among them are the month of monsoon? Yes, quickly. It's A, it's B, it's C, it's D. What it is? Yes, all of you who are watching the questions, please do answer. Yes, well, I guess the month of June to October basically minded as the month of monsoon season. That's the correct answer. Next question. Agriculture includes what? What do we include in our agriculture? Soil management, animal husbandry, rainwater harvesting, afforestation. What do we include when we talk about the agriculture? What do we say when we talk about the agriculture? Yes? Yes? When we talk about agriculture, we mean soil management and animal husbandry. That's the correct answer. Next question. Which crop could be harvested by farmer in the month of October? Yes. किस क्रॉप को हम मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर में हार्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes. Which crop could be harvested in the month of October? It's the cotton. Cotton is the correct answer. Yes. Next question. Which of the following crops require more water? Yes. Which one among them basically requires more water? Rice is a monsoon crop and it requires good amount of water, like 5,000 liters of water is basically required for 1 kilogram of rice. Next question. To control and destroy pest, what we use? What we use when we have to control pest in our houses or maybe in the farming field? Yes, what do we use when we have to control pest? The answer would be pesticides. Yes, we have to control the pest. We have to spray the pesticides. That's the correct answer. Yes, next. Which of the following correctly match to the given column? Yes, we have to correctly match the column 1 and column 2. We have to correctly match column 1 and column 2. Quickly, what is the correct answer? We have to correctly match column 1 and column 2. That's the correct answer. For the Rabi crop, it's a winter crop. Plowing is for the cultivation, scarecrows for the crop protection, poultry for the chickens. Next question. A farmer grow maize in 2 consecutive season in his field. After farmer at the same field with bean in one season, in the next season show. What would basically, which field likely to have soil with high nutrients? Yes? What would be the correct answer? बहुत simple सा question है. Farmer grows maize plants in 2 consecutive field. In his field one, and another farmer at the same time grows bean plant in one season and maize in the other season. ठीक है, उसने 2 क्रॉप ग्रो कर लिए 2 सीजन में. तो एग्जैक्टली किसका थर्ड सीजन में सॉइल क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा? यस, किसका सॉइल क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा नेक्स्ट सीजन में? आई गेस द फार्मर हु आर यूजिंग द 2 क्रॉप्स विल डेफिनेटली रिस्टोर द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी एंड द सॉइल कंडीशंस वुड बी एब्सोल्युटली गुड फॉर द फार्मर्स हु आर यूजिंग 2 क्रॉप्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Vinayak wants to cultivate tomatoes and chilies in his field. Which method he should use for growing crops? Yes, which method he should use for growing crops? The answer would be the transplantation. You have to basically take up those chilies and tomatoes and basically sow them in their field. Next question. Animals used to operate agriculture implements are, कुछ एलिमेंट्स होते हैं ना जो हम फार्मिंग लैंड्स में यूज करते हैं, तो कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं जिनको ऑपरेट करते हैं एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्लीमेंट्स में? यस, व्हाट आर दोज एनिमल्स? क्विकली. Bullocks. Children, we use bullocks for basically pulling the agriculture implements. Next question. The practice of sowing seed by hand is known as, जब हम basically seeds को sow करते हैं हाथ से, उस practice को क्या बोलते हैं? What do we call that practice? Yes? And the practice in which we sow the seeds by our hand is called as broadcasting. जब हम हाथों से seeds को sow करते हैं उसको कहते हैं हम broadcasting. Yes? Clear? So children, that's all for today's session. What we have basically gone through, we have just solved few practice questions from your particular chapter agriculture, which is the crop production and management. The sessions are already going on in the class. Yes, you can just join us for those sessions whenever you want. You can register for those sessions whenever you want, children. You can have to come and join the Embibe app. The Embibe offers you so many things. There's Embibe Lens app. Yes, there's Embibe Lens app. There's interactive Kubo lessons. There's Imbibe practice test, Achieve journey, parent app, Imbibe live classes, doubt resolution, Imbibe learn. All these things basically are at one place, and basically it offers you so much. These are so much to offer you, basically to enhance your knowledge, to basically everything has been curated according to your method of learning, the method of understanding. Every particular child is special, and this is what Imbibe feels. So these are all the things which Imbibe offers you, and I request you, all of you, to please explore all these apps. This is the 9th and 10th Telegram channel. You can just scan the barcode and join us on the Telegram channels so that you never miss an update. This is for the Telegram channels to 6 to 8. ये 6 to 8 का टेलीग्राम चैनल है, तुम लोग इसे स्कैन कर सकते हो, ज्वाइन कर सकते हो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे, सो दैट यू नेवर मिस एन अपडेट रिगार्डिंग एनीथिंग. वी विल मीट अगेन ऑन मंडे at 1 p.m. on the Imbibe app with the another session from this chapter. Until then, keep imbibing. Take care. Bye bye.